can't get out of bed, and you're stuck inside your head, and you're tired of this whole scene. You've got to keep your dream, you got to keep your dream. When your ambition starts to fade and you're feeling kind of played, when you're running out of steam, you got to keep your dream, you got to keep your dream. More than just a vision, you know it keeps you on your path, gives us all the reason to get up in the morning and laugh. When your boss is on your case and he's always in your face, and all you want to do is kill him, you've got to keep your dream, girl. You've got to keep your dream. More than just a vision, you know it keeps you on your path. It gives us all a reason to get up in the morning.
Take a bath or a shower? Which one?
We take a shower
That's the way.
because it's cheaper and saves electricity. When you can't get out of bed and you're stuck inside your head and you're tired of this whole scene, you got to